Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and practical tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to access and use the options chain on TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find the options section, how to browse the available strategies and data, and what key stats you should pay attention to as you're evaluating options trades. Whether you're curious about options or looking for a smarter way to plan your next trade, this will give you a solid foundation to get started. Okay, let's jump in. First, let's head over to TradingView. Once you're on the platform, you'll notice the nifty symbol search bar right at the top. This is where you can look up almost any stock, ETF, or financial instrument you'd like. For today's demo, we'll keep it simple and search for Google. Just type GOOGL and hit enter. Of course, you can use any ticker you want here, but using a popular, highly liquid name is handy when you're just practicing or exploring the platform's features. Once you've pulled up the chart for your chosen symbol, direct your attention to the lower right-hand side of your screen. Here you'll spot an icon that looks like a square made up of 9 little dots, kind of like a mini waffle. Give that icon a click and from the menu that appears, select Options. Don't worry if it takes a second to load. Sometimes there's a brief pause while TradingView grabs all the latest data. Now you're in the Options section, which is packed with information and tools for anyone interested in trading or just analyzing options contracts. One of the first things you'll notice is the Strategy Builder interface at the top. This is a powerful little panel where you can visualize your potential trades. You'll see the current underlying price front and center. That's the real-time value of your selected stock or asset. This is crucial because all options calculations like strike price selection and probability metrics are referenced from this point. The section will also show you metrics like max profit, max loss, win rate, break-even point, and lot size. Each of these has a specific role in helping you evaluate your options plays. For example, max profit and max loss are especially important. They let you see at a glance what your best and worst case scenarios look like if you execute a particular strategy. The win rate gives you a probability estimate, which is handy for comparing different trade setups. And break-even, that tells you the price the stock needs to reach at expiration for you to cover your costs, so it's a key decision point when you're managing risk. The lot size will remind you how many contracts are involved in your trade, so you don't get tripped up by position sizing. If you scroll a bit lower, you'll come to the options chain itself. Think of this as a giant menu, showing all the available calls and puts across various expiration dates and strike prices. Here, where you can browse different contracts and zero in on the ones that fit your trading plan. Maybe you're looking for a high probability spread, or perhaps you want to see how volatility is affecting option prices. Speaking of volatility, TradingView's options area gives you a clear view of each contract's implied volatility, which is a measure of how much the market expects the stock to move. High volatility options can be more expensive but also offer greater profit potential, especially if the market moves sharply. Pay attention to volatility because it can make a big difference in the risk and reward profile of your trades. And that's pretty much it. Exploring the options chain on TradingView is a quick but powerful way to sharpen your trading decisions and plan with more confidence. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about navigating the options tool, or if you have a favorite options strategy you'd like to see covered next. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, actionable tutorials delivered right to you. Thanks for watching and good luck with your trades.